Ah, Mr. Bond. This is the new Golden Mile. This is a lifestyle. It's so well priced. By the time this video is edited, it's probably going to have been sold. Remember, we at Affinity can help you with absolutely everything. Is that right? I don't know if I've got that right. Some properties are houses. A lot of you live in houses. Some live in terrible little apartments, not me. This is a home, nay, this is a lifestyle. Let me explain. So, how do I know if I live in a house or if I live in a lifestyle? Well, here's the test. Look outside. Do you see 320 sunny days a year? Are you frontline golf with a golf club within your urbanization? Can you walk to the beach with a specific path and it's sandy and there is a promenade and you can walk almost all the way into Marbella? Are you 7 minutes drive to Porto Benus? Are you 5 minutes drive to the center of Estepona? Can you go into your garden, swim in your swimming pool, maybe lie out there, lie on your solarium and get sunburn on Christmas Day? Well, if the answer to any of those questions was no, you live in a house. And you should live in a lifestyle, and you can this lifestyle. Welcome to La Resina, and welcome to this masterpiece. Ah, Mr. Bond. What's the catch, I hear you cry? The catch is that it is so well priced and such a fantastic property that by the time this video is edited, it's probably going to have been sold. And if not, it's going to sell really fast. So if you're on the fence, not quite sure, this isn't the house for you. If this isn't the house for you because it's a different budget, whatever, remember, we at Affinity can help you with absolutely everything. On the first floor, we have 2 spare bedrooms, and they are nothing short of perfect because they're both south facing. You have a wonderful bathroom with a shower and this amazing light well. That is begging for a lovely olive tree. And then we have the master suite with loads of storage, as it should. You've got the ensuite there with a double vanity and a huge shower, big enough perhaps for 2, I don't know. Then you have these electric blinds, and believe me, you need them because this house is designed to be facing south to have sun all the time. And speaking of sun, you have this private terrace. For those of you who don't have a private terrace off your master, I'm one of those, the good thing about these is, even if you have guests, it's a space we can sit, contemplate, meditate if that's what you're into, have a coffee and relax. And of course, enjoy the beautiful nature. In fact, a lot of times when I go to a house, the most important thing is to stop for a minute and listen. Nothing at all, just silence. And it's weird because you're very close to everything. Now let's talk numbers. 4 bedrooms. 4.5 bathrooms, 3 floors plus solarium plus huge garage, set over 380 square meters. The garden is not small either. It's nice, it's flat, it's frontline golf, and it's over 700 square meters. But wow, what a space to be, right? So as they say, parting is such sweet sorrow, and specifically for me it is. I'm enjoying this way too much. Anyway, as I said to you before, this house is going to sell really fast, so be quick. And if it's not for you, we are number 1 for a reason. We can show you absolutely everything. In fact, maybe you'll be lucky enough to see me. You could request, or like a lot of people, you could request 100% not to see me. That happens a lot. Anyway, I've been me, you've been you, and you, and this has been Resina, aka Deal of the Century. I should go swimming.